and welcome to Step by Step with Miriam. I'm here again with Martin Lawler, who's very kindly going to demonstrate how you can save an audible book from your computer onto a device called a Victor Reader Stream. And Martin, I'm going to hand it over to you now so that you can actually explain and demonstrate what you're doing here.
Okay, Miriam, thank you very much for having me on again. This is the Victor Reader Stream new generation from Humanware. This is a very popular player with Humanware. I really like it. It is very easy to use, and today I'm going to show you how to transfer an Audible book onto the Stream's SD card. So I'm going to connect the Victor Stream to my laptop.
And you already have the book on your laptop, Martin,
I have
is that
indeed,
right?
yeah. So I'm going to connect it. So I've connected the stream and I'm going to turn it on, which is the power button.
And can you just turn it around towards me, Martin, just so we can...
Victor Reader. Player connected.
So it said, welcome to Victor Reader, player connected, and it's connected. So now I'm going to... That's Joe's talking. I'm going to go into Audible Manager on my laptop. Before you get the Audible books, you have to install Audible Manager, so you have to go onto the website and download the Audible Manager.
Okay.
So I'm going to do Alt and Tab to go to my desktop, and then I'm going to do Windows M. And we're going to do A for Audible Manager. Then I'm going to press the Enter key. I just have to wait for a second to see will it open.
And when you were typing A there, Martin, that was just like going through all the folders that started with the letter A on your desktop, wasn't it? And that was your quick shortcut.
Yeah, that's my... So I'm going to do my arrow keys now to look for my Audible book.
Okay.
Library list view. Blood hunt. Famous. Hide. Sherlock. Swim. The advent.
I'm sorry, I'm just arrowing down through the books.
The complete stories of Sherlock J. The girl.
I'm just looking for the book that I just got this morning, Miriam. Should be there somewhere. It's not there actually. It is there, but I have to try it. Sorry.
Take your time.
The adventure, swimsuit on Sherlock, hide and seek, famous blood hunt, 15th affair on the bridge, part 2,
I have it, sorry.
Right,
so that's the one I want.
Okay.
James Patterson. So what I'm going to do now, I have my stream connected.
Okay.
And I'm going to press my applications key on the laptop.
Okay.
And
applications, context, play, add to Victor Reader.
So it's telling me to add to Victor Reader Stream, and I'm going to press enter, and it'll transfer it.
Menus, library list view, 15th affair on the bridge, part 1, format 4. Author James Patterson. Running time 3h31 min. Date 04/19/16. Size 48.4 MB. 1 of 37.
So it's going to transfer now.
Use the arrow keys. Initiating content transfer. Transferring audio to Victor Reader.
And it's transferring the stream into the Audible folder on the Stream's SD card.
So it goes right into the
area
on your Victor Reader Stream.
Yeah, it does.
And isn't it very quick, Martin? I mean,
It's
it
very
doesn't
quick.
take terribly long to transfer.
It's very quick. So that's done now. So then I'll do the next one. Going to do the same thing again. Press my applications key.
Can I just take a shot of the applications key, Martin, on your keyboard?
Yeah.
Yeah, and that's the key that basically brings up a menu that you have access to, doesn't it?
It does, yeah. It brings up the menu for the Audible.
And then you use the arrow keys then to navigate
menu
once it's up.
Yeah, once it's up, yeah.
Okay.
Add to Victor Reader Stream.
So I'm pressing, it's telling me to add it to the Victor Reader Stream, so I'm just going to press enter again.
Enter. Leaving menus. Library list view 15.
And now it's going to transfer it.
Format 4. Author James Patterson. Running time 3h50 min. Date 04/19/16. Size 52.6 MB. 2 of 37. To move the items, use the arrow keys. Initiating content transfer. Transferring audio.
So it's transferring it now, Miriam, and after
Initiating content
it's
transfer.
transferred it, I'll show you how to play it on the stream if you'd
Thank
like.
you very much, Martin. That would be great. Thank you.
85%, 100%, library list view, 0 items. To move
It's
the
done
items,
now.
use the arrow keys. 15
Okay.
to bear on the bridge.
So Miriam, so to close out of this, I'm going to do Alt F4.
Okay.
Alt F4, desktop.
And that
folder
means you
view
hold
list.
down the Alt key as you
And-
type F4 function key
Yeah,
on your keyboard.
it is, yeah. So hold down your Alt key. So now I'm going to connect my stream from the computer. I'm going
Okay.
to turn off the stream.
All right.
So the stream is off,
Okay.
and I've disconnected it,
Okay.
and I'm going to give it turn it back on.
Can you just show us how you're turning it on, Martin?
Yeah, you just press it's the power button here
Okay.
on the left hand side.
Okay.
So the stream is coming on.
Okay. And if you just take it down a little bit towards the table, and then yeah, that's it.
So I'll
Volume.
just connect the little speaker that I had connected to
Oh
the
yes,
capsules,
yeah.
just to let you.
You demonstrated this in a previous video when you were demonstrating the capsules
Yeah, that's right.
for
Yeah.
its internet radio.
Yeah. So,
Connected to Wi-Fi.
60 minutes of relaxation music.
so
60 minutes
So
of
one-
relaxing music.m.
sorry, Maria.
So this is a little speaker that's not necessary, but did you like it for the video quality, just to give us a little
For the
extra
sound quality,
sound?
yeah. So
Yeah.
so I've connected it. So I'm just going to connect it to the stream's socket headphone.
Okay.
Go to bookmark.
So it's connected. I'll just give it a bit of volume here now.
Volume 13. Warning. To prevent possible hearing damage, do not.
So so I'm going to press key 1 on the stream, and that's your bookshelf key. So it'll give me a list of things what's on the stream's SD card.
Okay.
Bookshelf. Say notes. Audible books.
So Audible book. That's my Audible books. Yeah.
The complete stories of
2. 1.
15th Affair.
9.
The complete stories of
1.
15th Affair.
2.
15th Affair.
So that's
Women's Murder Club.
I'm earning
15th on a bridge.
with
Part
my
2.
4 key and 6 to get back.
Okay.
1.
15th Affair.
So to play
Women's
it,
Murder Club.
I'm going to press
15 on a bridge.
the play
Part
key,
1.
which is right below the sleep key.
Okay.
So
This is Audible.
there you go.
15th Affair. Written by James Patterson.
Oh, that's great, Martin.
There you
Thanks
go,
ever
Mariam.
so much. Yeah, that's super. Thanks, Martin.
Thanks very much.
Yeah, and thanks for doing that demonstration. And again, just to recap, that's called transferring a book from Audible
Yeah, to the Victor Reader stream.
to the Victor Reader
But
stream.
Also, Miriam, I want to point out for the when you get for the first time when you're getting the audiobooks for the stream, you actually have to activate the Victor Reader stream's SD card. So you have to go to the Audible manager and you have to press your applications key and look for add new device, and when it looks for the add new device, it'll look find the stream, and then you have to put in your email address and your password, and once you do that, you only have to do it one time, and then you can
And that's your Audible email
Audible. Your Audible
email account password.
yeah, it is.
Yeah, and okay.
Yeah. So that's it.
That's super, Martin. Thanks ever so much.
Okay, Maria.
Yeah, thanks for
Thank
that,
you.
Martin. Thank you.